Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept R-C character matrix and it must fold the given matrix vertically and print the resulting colors based on the following conditions. That is red plus red gives red, blue plus blue gives blue, green plus green gives green, green plus blue gives cyan, red plus blue gives magenta, and finally red plus green gives yellow. Now let us consider for our test case, red is represented as R, blue as B, green as G, cyan as C, magenta as M, and finally yellow as Y. The program must accept R cross 3 character matrix with 3 characters R, G, B. The program must accept R cross C character matrix with 3 characters RGB, fold the given matrix vertically and print the resulting colors based on the following conditions. Red plus red gives red, blue plus blue gives blue, green plus green gives green, green plus blue gives cyan, red plus blue gives magenta, red plus green gives yellow, and it is represented as RBGCMY. Now let us consider for our test case. In this test case, it is a 5 cross 6 character matrix and we have to check the colors based on first column and the last column, second column and the last previous column, first column and last, second column and the last previous, third column and the previous one. Like that you have to compare the column and print the following color. Now first it is R and B, red plus blue, which gives M magenta. So M will be printed first, and G plus G is green, so G, and B plus B is blue, so B. In the second row, blue plus green, which is cyan, red plus red is red, blue plus green is cyan. And for the third row, red plus red is red, green plus blue is cyan, and red plus red is red. In the fourth row, red plus red, which is red, red plus green, which is yellow, green plus red, which is also yellow, red plus green. And for the last row, green plus green, which is green, red plus red, which is red, blue plus red, which is magenta. Hence, this character matrix will be printed as our output. Now let us see the pseudocode for solving this program. First we have to accept the input integer R and C and another input, that is the character matrix. Now we have to fold the character matrix and find the respective color. So we are iterating over the rows for row in range row of 0 to row of R, which ranges from 0 to R, and for column column will be in range 0 to half of the column, because we are folding the matrix. For col 0 to col of C divided by 2. In Python for division we will be using 2 backslash, whereas in C and Java we will be using 1. So for color 1 we will have a variable called C1, matrix of row and col, and for color 2, which is equal to matrix of row and col of col will be C minus col minus 1, which gives the last column, which is nothing but first C1 is R and C2 is B, so like that, so on. So C, which is nothing but 6 minus col, which is 0 minus 1, which gives 5, the index of B here, so which is nothing but C2. Now after getting the colors, we have to check the color combinations. For that we will be using if condition. If C1 plus C2 equal to RR, which is red plus red, means we have to print R, which is red, and we have to use end argument here for leaving a space. If C1 plus C2 equal to BB, which is blue, means we have to print blue. If C1 plus C2 equal to GG, that is green, means green plus green means we have to print green, so print G. If C1, for the next 3 cases we will be using 2 sets, so C1 plus C2 equal to GB, or C1 plus C2 equal to BG. Green plus blue and blue plus green are same, so we have to print C is nothing but cyan. And for the next case, if C1 plus C2, let us copy this and paste it here, and instead of GB we have to write RB, that is red blue, or C1 plus C2 equal to BR, which is blue red. Then we have to print M, which is magenta. Red plus blue gives magenta. And in the else condition we have to print the last one, that is yellow. If the above statements are not executed, means this else statement will be executed. So these are the conditions for color combination. So after printing each row we have to print a new line. So print